Bronze watches are becoming increasingly popular with both consumers and big watch brands. We're going to show you how to take care of your bronze watch, like this C60 Trident Bronze we're holding here. As we're going to be using water, you should remove the strap from the watch, then make sure the crown is fully closed to keep any moisture out. Take the watch head, submerge in warm water and put it to one side. We're now going to create a cleaning paste for the bronze. Put 2 tablespoons of baking powder in a small bowl, then add lemon juice, mixing it into the powder until you have a paste. Cover the bronze parts of the watch with the paste, rubbing it in with your fingers. If there's one to hand, use a toothbrush to clean hard-to-reach bits like the area between lugs. Leave the paste on for 20 minutes. Then, rinse under warm water. Finally, dry the watch with the microfiber cloth. Attach the strap and it'll look as good as new. In this second part, we're going to look at removing the patina, the discoloration that appears as bronze ages. We've already removed a bit of this in part 1. Some people leave a patina on as they like this effect. Others, and this may be you, prefer to clean it off. Here's how. Firstly, we remove the straps again. Put a teaspoon of sodium bicarbonate and a teaspoon of citric acid in a cup. Now gently place the watch head in the cup. Fill with demineralised water, which you can buy online, and watch as the mixture fizzes and bubbles. Cool, right? Remove the watch head and clean with a toothbrush. Finally, dry the watch with a cloth or paper towel. It will have a satisfying new shine. To prevent a patina appearing in the future, you can cover your watch case in specialist waxes available online. If that sounds too much hassle, you can just let it age beautifully. It's up to you. If you like any of the watches in this video, you'll find links to them in the description below. For more tips on how to get the best out of your watch and to see our newest releases, just click on subscribe.